Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're barbecuing a chuck roast. Alright guys, so we got our 3.5 pound chuck roast here. I used a little Worcestershire sauce as a binder, put some salt, pepper, some garlic, and some chopped onion seasoning on. That's it. It's tied up. I'm going to leave it that way. I'm probably going to be doing definitely doing beef sandwiches today. I'm going to leave it tied up and we're going to let it go out on a smoker. I'm shooting for about, say probably 250, maybe lower. Yeah. Alright guys, so the roast is at 160 right now. I pulled it off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in a pan right here, a tray rather. I'll put it in the tray. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to do this to help get past the stall. Got a nice bark. Some of it's loose because I've been adding to it, but tastes good. What I'm going to do with the rest of my spritz, give it a nice spritz. The only thing I'm adding to this tray is the leftover spritz. Now, what I did was I used about, I would say, 1 part Worcestershire sauce to 3 parts water. So, I'm going to do this. It's going to kind of braise it a little bit. But really, one of the reasons why I'm doing this is I want this to help build a nice au jus, just in case I want one. So we're all set with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this probe in now. Now I'm going to start probing everything. And put this using a Thermo Pro. I find their thermometers to be excellent. So I'm just going to put it, probably going to put it here. Actually, let me spin it around so you guys could see. Now, something I didn't mention earlier, this is tied up. If you see a chuck roast, and if it looks more like say like a London broil type appearance, that's fine. That's what this is. It's just tied up. The butcher tied it up. Anyway. Alright, so I'm going to put my probe in. That's a little, that bark is really built there. Nice. Alright, we've been cooking between 225, 250. I'm happy with that. I'm going to keep it at that. So, I'm going to cover it up now. This is going to help us get past the stall. And it's also going to be collecting some nice juices from the meat. This way, if we want, we could have a nice little au jus going on. Alright guys, so this has been sitting, resting for about an hour and a half. I haven't looked at it. Excited to see how it turned out. I pulled it at 200. It was actually 201. Pulled it at 201, and I think that should be good enough. I'm gonna make some sandwiches out of it. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right. So you should be able to see. We got a lot of liquid down here. That's good. That's all right. We're going to make a nice au jus out of that. So, first things first, let's pull this probe out of here. Pull this probe. And I'm going to cut the string. Oof. So that just come off the top? Holy moly. Wow. All right. All right. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut it up. We'll come back. I got 2 barbecue sandwiches right here. One, I sauteed some mushrooms and onions and some butter and bourbon. Awesome. And this one, I like to call it the classic. Coleslaw on the bottom. You got your meat. Throw some pickles on top and put your favorite barbecue sauce on there. I also have a little au jus. Now, the au jus I made from the drippings, and I added a little beef stock to it also. But what you want to do is you kind of want to get some of that fat out. It's very fatty, you know, the drippings. So what I did was I put it in the freezer for a little while, and you just kind of scoop off the fat. Then what you do is you just go ahead and you heat it up. So with this one, we're doing like a French dip. We got the mushrooms, onions, beautiful. Good little dip. Oh, it's so good. That's a home run. Oh, man. All right. Listen, guys. I don't know how you do your chuck roast, but definitely try it pulled. It's definitely a home run. It's awesome. Either sandwich, I know they're both delicious. I know this one's definitely delicious. I just ate that, but when you got your classic over here, you can't go wrong with that. Wow. Really a home run. Definitely a home run. I'm happy the way it turned out. I know my family's going to be happy. I'm going to go eat this now. But please like, subscribe. Any comments or requests, send them to me. You could also email me. Also on Instagram. You guys, try this out. Enjoy and be safe and have fun barbecuing and grilling.